eToro Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The eToro Wallet app is a companion to the eToro trading platform, allowing you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency securely. You won't believe how it bridges traditional trading with crypto, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's only a wallet. It's actually a versatile tool. Pros include support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, seamless integration with your eToro account, and the ability to swap crypto within the app. Security is robust, with two-factor authentication and insurance coverage for custodial assets. The app is beginner-friendly and ideal for managing crypto outside the main trading platform. Cons include custodial storage, meaning you don't control private keys directly. Trading and swapping fees can be higher than some dedicated exchanges, and not all cryptocurrencies available on eToro trading are supported in the wallet. In conclusion, eToro Wallet app is excellent for eToro users seeking convenience and secure crypto management. It's beginner-friendly, integrates with trading accounts, and offers strong security, but custodial storage and fees are considerations for savvy users.